Hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog. This is Mia, my daughter, and my name is Mary. And today we're going to open more of our Amazon freebies. And we have 3 deliveries today. Let's see and try to open. Are you excited?
Yeah!
She's so excited. Fish. It's a dragon. We have kids bike helmet. Looks big. Wow. Let's see. Wow, you're ready. Oh, I like this one. It has a cushion. So cool. Let me see. We have 2 more to go. Okay. How about this one? If you are using knife with your boxes and you have kids, please be very careful. Not allow them to touch anything sharp. Wow! Another box! There's another box! There's 2 boxes. Okay, let's see. It's another box again! It's for massage! It says, what's this one? Percussion massage gun! You like this one? Okay, let's go open it. It says, powerful rechargeable battery, multi-gear adjustable, percussion massage gun for vibration massage. Let's see. I'm so excited. Wow, it has a touch. I think this is a touch button, touch screen. And it doesn't have battery yet. I think you have to charge it. Quite heavy. And it has manual of massage gun. It has 5 massage heads. We have the cords for charging. It's your handle, easy grip handle, and then it has battery. Actually, the 0 means that it doesn't have the vibration. Power button, the plus and minus sign here for the strength of the vibration. Let's try it. So this is 1, and so the maximum vibration strength is 5, 0 to 5. It has the battery up here. So the charging time, according to the manual, is 5 hours. The massage heads, they are specific for certain muscles in your body. You just follow the instruction manuals. It says how long will you put it in your arms, if it's in your upper limb, neck, shoulder. Let's keep it, and we'll go ahead and open our next box. Okay, Mia? Let's put it back. So these products you can easily order in Amazon. If you guys are interested in getting Amazon freebies, I will put a link in the description down below so you guys can check it out. Okay, next product. Let's see. What is this one? Wow, that's big. Let's open. This is a portable air conditioner fan. It looks pretty small, and this is our mini fan. It has buttons on the top.
We need water.
Yes, I think you can put water in it. Here. And the buttons are here. I think this is rechargeable too. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It has a cord, I think. Adapter. AC adapter. For you to plug the fan. I think this one is good for traveling. But if you have an outlet, then this one will work. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Do not exceed the maximum water level. Let's put water. Just not to its maximum. It says don't. Okay, now the power button lights up. Just press it. Ooh. Ooh, now it has little mist. Ooh, so the bottom has lights too. So you get air, you get like a lump. Okay, for our next product, we still have one more to go. Go get it, Mia. What's that? Oh, wow! Is that heavy? Let's see, what's this? What's this one? It's a backseat car organizer for kids. And this is... this will be very useful for our travels. You like it? It's a car organizer. We're going to put it in our car. And hopefully we can use this soon. When we go somewhere. When we go out in summer. We go out for a ride outside. Especially we have the bottles of Mia, her snacks, our gears, like our camera, like a GoPro, you can just easily stick it up here. So I hope you guys enjoy our unboxing of our Amazon freebies. If you're interested, please visit the link in the description below. And see you again on our next video. Bye!